yo, this is Shaggy.
Yo, this is Sniper Stam the General.
You don't know, so yo, this is Sean Party Guys. I'm over, brother. Tell him, say, locking and stocking. Take it away. Tune in.
Dancer, yo, you listening to DJ TwoBad and Abisha Palmer on Zimdancehall Empire. Yo, you give them pressure like 10 Tyre. Man Ninja, honorary. Zimdancehall Empire on ZiFm stereo with Abisha Palmer and DJ TwoBad. You don't say every Saturday. We run the thing out here, I don't know about when I'm going good, you see me. But I can't carry full bar and stop the thing. Zimdancehall Empire. Zimdancehall Empire. I love my radio.
If I let her to Rosie, I just say to my wife, tell her that I'm coming home on a Saturday night. I don't want you worry, I don't want you cry. Tell her that I love her until the day I die. You just call a taxi, come to the phone, pack up the thing, then make her home. The young Rosie and the children alone, think this way.
Take a little to my wife. Tell her I won't be coming home. I have a session tonight. Conversation, basically conversation. Give that now. Conversation, basically conversation. I've been sitting down on my yard on a meditation. Me a reason with me children and the big fat woman. All of a sudden here come a postman. And the man down the bridge and me say what telegram. Hey, come from my bridge, you know Liverpool town. Invite me a finger of my session. So me wash up me foot in and me put my wash pan. Chop up the buckles and me finger on the jam.
Yeah man, trust me man saying, I will see a big son and play a big tune. How many of you remember this track here? How many of you know this tune? Tell me, how many of you know this track here? Yeah man, a big man selection. Yeah man, Ghana session. So many youths, they are not aware of this kind of selection. Remember, this one is a big man selection. And I've got the big man in the building with me here at ZiFm Stereo. Yes, me top Jenna, me elder is in the building. Father, I want to say greetings and welcome to ZiFM Stereo, me top ton dada. Do you say him darangu?
Ah, bo. This say home.
I was blessed like stressing. Yeah, man, I saw the vibes again. You remember, say, we're there live and direct here at ZiFM Stereo. Yeah, man, first and foremost, yeah, man, I've got the one and only Mad Minox. Yeah, man, trust me, he is in the building. Yeah, man, my great elders. Yeah, man, music industry. Panzimbo. Nduna Minox. So you say him darangu?
Ah, quite a little but you know, to what I see that's naka.
And it's Totofara na matisika mdarazo kana mawuyaka. Tauto pure knowledge na wisdom waiza iri kuleka mazwane saka ndato kumsada tutokubata utana ase mdarati nemi apano kama rukubaya chokutanga ndangobvunza who is Mad Minox?
Mad Minox is good future Zika.
All right.
Born and raised in Mbari.
Yeah, man.
22nd Avenue.
All right, straight.
Saying.
Yeah, man, we give thanks.
1968.
1968.
I'm gonna be 50 years this year.
January star. 50 years. Yeah. Ndangobvunza chokutanga. I'm not really sure. Are you a selector? Are you a MC? Are you a promoter? I'm
all of them above. I'm a selector, I'm a DJ, I'm a promoter, I'm a sound man, I'm an engineer.
All right.
By profession, I went to school, I did electronics engineering in Canada, in Toronto.
All right.
See?
All right.
But growing up, we were raised selling corn. Here in America, we say corn. Here we say maize.
All right.
Yeah.
Chibage.
Yeah, chibage. Takakura chitenge some steak msiga, umbare msiga.
Mcheza chibage.
Yeah.
Parengi wewe.
Parengi.
Serious? Andizi.
Saka namu ndinizia.
Andizi. Saka breakthrough yakazobudikira ma Canada mdara. Munaeleza chibage. Swakafamba setu muzonge ma Canada.
Chakaitika ndechekuti kwaya boys zaipa ku England. And power Timere, Africa A1, I got
Africa A1. Yeah. Okay.
So they were playing music at White Up Center, close to
Takarika Flats,
Clinic Maternity.
Nice.
So I was just pushing my wheelbarrow going to the market, and I heard the big F sound, and I went and did and sold my stuff at the market. And at night I came back, and back in the days the dance was only for $1. That's Zimbabwean dollars.
Zimbabwean dollar.
Yeah, that's
Oh, you
that's
graduated.
it's around 1981, 82.
1981, 82.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from there onwards, it just was rubber up style.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Right. We give thanks. So what can we say? What inspired you to be involved in music?
We were rebels.
Alright.
Reggae music was for rebels back in the days.
Yeah, man.
Kana ana mai vedu vanga vasingatifariri bokozi
Nye reggae.
kana kuita rasta chaiko chaiko zvinhu zvaitoshoresa.
Anditi.
Mai manje taamarasta zvakudadisa but vana vazizivi kuti zvakabva nekupi.
Anditi. Yanga iri struggle kuti udonedze mukwendo yaitota hondo chionzi chivakuita. Okay, so tell us about the genesis of Silverstone family.
Silverstone yakatanga in 1980. No, not in 80s. 1992.
1992.
But before that, I was playing with Jabi.
You're playing with Jabi.
Jabi is a
Godfather Jabi.
yeah, Stereo One.
All right.
But before Stereo One, there was Telegraph.
Stereograph.
Yeah. So we have to start backwards.
All right. So you take us back.
Like from Africa A1.
Africa A1.
Africa A1 was our power station.
All right.
Garikai and a couple guys, but most of them came from UK.
All right. So Africa A1, they were from the UK.
Yeah.
But they would come to Zimbabwe.
No, they actually repatriated to Zimbabwe.
All right.
Yeah. If you know a company called Chitemere Trades.
Red Trades.
Yeah. Power Chitemere used to own that, and I still believe he owns that. But he died. He died a long time ago.
All right. All right.
You know what I mean?
So what brought into prominence Silverstone family? What made you, like, I don't know, start your own movement? Muchibaku Stereograph.
Stereo One.
Stereo One.
Nyadzemari.
Nyadzemari.
Yeah, man.
And is
Yeah, but I tamba na Jabi, and back in the day, I went to Canada in 1990, in May 1990, on the 19th of May, 1990. So when I came back in 1992, I came back with over 1,000 songs.
1,000 songs.
Albums and 45s and
Yeah.
disco, you know?
Mama Doblez.
Yeah. I was the first one to play Bam Bam.
Bam Bam.
Yeah.
TwoBad,
I was the first one to
put
play
Bam Bam, right?
Made that she wrote.
Made that she wrote.
I was the first one to play Buju Banton in this country.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Way back in the days.
Yeah.
All right, we give thanks. We give thanks.
So Panyadze Marap, the gate was giving us almost like $3,000,
Okay.
and I was giving $30.
So, Mamuna Nana, Mamurongani,
Bambana Jabi,
Jabi, the late
Joa,
Joa,
Bernard, Mikey Dread,
Mikey Dread.
Dads,
All right.
Alan Ranks. Alan Ranks and Dads are late right now.
Oh,
So, and Farai was part of the sound, but he wasn't
Farai isn't
really into it.
Farai Shambare.
Farai Shambari.
He was also part.
Yeah, he was part, but not like full time because he had his own sound, Smolax.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
Saka Pamaraba, we didn't agree. Why to know Gweja Mari, Gori? I only had 3 months to get my money back. You know, out of 3,000 and people $30, then this is why.
All right.
I see.
Yeah, to be better by that. All right, it's all about the one and only Mad Minox is in the building with us here at ZiFm Stereo. So if you want to ask Mad Minox any questions, send them through on the WhatsApp platform. Because we got to get up WhatsApp 0731168045. Mad Minox is in the building. All right, so way back in the days when you started Silverstone family, what was your next step? What happened after you separated from Stereo One?
I went back to Canada. It was in June, and I came back in November.
All right.
Me and General Bernard Kamoto.
All right.
We started our own sound. But when we started the sound, Jabi didn't even know we started the sound.
Oh.
We went to Rumors nightclub, and
Yeah.
that's when we introduced the sound.
We have got a new sound.
That tonight is a clash.
Could remember what it was.
Yeah, and we probably I was the only person who would play Ninja Man the way I used to play it. Test the high power.
You can test
And
the
Bernard did the other tune called Hard to Eat.
All right.
By Professor Major
All right.
and the Short Man.
All right.
And we had great songs back in the day, like anthems
Yeah, man.
that nobody could play.
So I don't want to Minox City, Wedzera.
Yes.
And this is all right. We'll give. Let's just take a small break and then we'll be back with the elder in the building. 0731168045. Ngati babvunze mbudzo mudare wedu vari panzvimbo wose towabatira panapa tikavasiya vachienda katina kuwabvunza zvisika tentairasa. So let's ask Yama, trust me, this great legend, any question Yama vadombudza about the history of dancehall music. 0731168045. But right about now we will boss 1 or 2 tracks and then we'll come back and talk with the Yaman King himself in the building. Straight ZiFm stereo. Yaman, we are Run Road.